This giant fruit will soon become millions of crispy chips. Everything begins here, in tropical jackfruit fields. Only perfectly ripe jackfruit is selected. Harvesting requires precision and teamwork. Each fruit weighs several kilograms. Quality control starts at the farm. Now, the journey to the factory begins. From field to factory in hours. This is where transformation happens.
Every batch is recorded and tracked.
Processing begins immediately.
Thorough cleaning is critical.
Industrial washers handle extreme sizes. Human eyes still matter. Cutting is the most critical step. The inside reveals the treasure.
These bulbs become chips.
Nothing is wasted. Uniform size ensures perfect crunch. Now, chips take shape. Now, the real processing begins. Uniform slicing ensures perfect crunch.
Fresh slices, perfectly prepared.
Only perfect slices move forward.
Moisture control is key to crunch.
This is where crunch is born.
Perfect heat, perfect chips.
Golden transformation in seconds. Excess oil removed instantly. Crisp, not greasy. Cooling locks in the crunch. Quality never slips.
Flavor comes next. Balanced flavor in every bite.
Even coating, zero damage.
Flavor set, crunch sealed.
Human taste still matters.
Safety is non-negotiable.
Ready for packing.
From fruit to finished snack.
Oil quality is carefully monitored to ensure perfect taste and safety.
Excess oil is removed to keep chips light and crispy.
Cooling locks in crunch and prevents moisture.
Seasoning adds flavor evenly to every chip. Final inspection removes imperfect chips. Metal detectors protect product safety.
Each pack is weighed with precision.
Chips are packed in quickly and carefully. Chips are packed quickly and carefully. Nitrogen keeps chips fresh longer.
Packs are sealed to lock in freshness.
Every pack is fully traceable. Smart scanners catch packing errors. Packs are grouped for transport. Cartons are sealed and labeled. Robots prepare pallets for shipping.
Products wait safely for distribution.
Chips begin their journey to stores.
The final product reaches consumers. Perfect crunch in every bite.
Subscribe to explore more factory journeys.